Om Namaha Shivaya. Yeah, saying extremely very nice Lord Shiva third eye puja conch from Indian Ocean. See, it's a Lord Shiva third eye puja conch from Indian Ocean. You can see the opening as a eye of Lord Shiva. This is a regular conch. You can see the opening here. It's a regular conch. It's a third eye of Lord Shiva puja conch. Extremely rare. Just only one piece in the world. Never again like this same conch again. You can see a clear third eye of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And this conch is extremely very thick conch. See, it's a normal conch. See the opening. It's a third of Lord Shiva. You can see a huge difference in the both the conch. It is extremely unbelievable collection. Just only one piece in the world. Just only one piece in the world. Never again like this. And it's a very thick. And it's a normal conch. You can see the difference. See, you can see a huge difference. It's only one piece in the world. Lord Shiva third eye conch from Indian Ocean. Extremely very powerful. Makes you to feel extreme energy of Lord Shiva. You will definitely feel Lord Shiva. You will definitely feel Lord Shiva by having this conch with you. It's a regular conch. See the opening. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Third of Lord Shiva, and it's having three lines. It is like a three tilak of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.